Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the real way to link your Epic Games account with Rockstar's account. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this option right here is from Rockstar Games itself. Okay. It says here what we'll do is just go ahead and start Epic Games Launcher. So let's go ahead and do that. Open Epic Games Launcher. And then we need to launch the Rockstar Games title. It could be a GTA 5 or whatever. Okay, just go ahead and look it up on your library if you have one in here. GTA could be GTA 5, San Andreas, Vice City, or GTA 3. Okay, go ahead and launch it. And after that, it will ask you to sign in with your Rockstar account within your Rockstar Games Launcher, as it will automatically pop out. Okay, just verify your account via your email and then click play here under your Epic Games Launcher. Okay, you don't have to contact support for this, as what we have seen on other videos online. Again, you don't have to contact or manually link it, okay, under your Rockstar account or Epic Games account. You'll just have to follow these simple steps, okay, run any GTA titles, and then sign in with your Rockstar account. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, only one Rockstar Games account can be linked to your Epic Games account, okay? Do keep that in mind. That is it. That is how you link Epic Games account with your Rockstar Games account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.